I've had the same broken hamper for almost a year. It's literally so loose it cannot stay up. So I have marks on my walls. And it's kind of ugly. I got the Joseph. It was the cutest hamper I could find on the market that had sections in it. I have to have sections in my hamper. This is the 3-way. Apparently this hamper is hard to put together and a lot of people struggle with it. I saw some pictures where the linen was looser on some people's reviews and I was like, oh no. But the reviews that were good said you just have to pull it to do it right and it won't be like that. Hopefully I can get it right. This is all it comes with, so hopefully not too complicated. This comes off, but I think we're supposed to leave it on. Take these rods and spin them in. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I'm used to such a big space to put my clothes. I do my laundry every week, so it shouldn't be a problem to have a smaller hamper, but I am gonna miss the space. When I clean my room, I put everything on my bed that I have to put away, and I just haven't put away like the last few things. We just did this. Should be easy enough just to slide this on. Here's the logo. That part's done. This is where it gets tricky. You put the lid on, and then we have to tuck the fabric. I don't really know how this is supposed to work. Maybe I flip it around. Since there's no holes on this side, that means that this faces up. The holes on the bottom can go in this. Wait, was I supposed to put the fabric in between? No, wait, no. That wouldn't be right. Since I put this fabric on, the logo has moved from here to there. So now I have to get it back over this way. This is not working. Actually, it is. There we go. Okay, that looks about right. I'm trying to fold this fabric in like the instructions say, and I am just not achieving anything at this point. It's supposed to go a slit, apparently from what I'm seeing on the instructions. It's not going in there without a fight. The sound cut out here, but basically my dad ended up tucking it in because my nails were too long. Flipped it right side up, now we're just tucking in edges again. I'm actually terrible at putting anything together. I've only been working on this for 5 minutes and almost has it done. Just getting it screwed in. And he got the hamper all tight. I don't know how he did that. I would not have been able to. Comes with these Velcro little liners to go on top to hold these bags in place. The hamper bags itself, you have this ring and it comes with these bags and you have to line it up. All the way around. Honestly, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, perfect. And then I guess when you want to pick it up, you take these 2 straps and it carries the whole thing. That's nice. That literally took me 10 seconds. When I got this hamper, I realized you can get it in the single, the double, and the triple. I got the triple. I wanted a quadruple, but they did not have that option. Normally, I separate my clothes white, clothes that can be dried, clothes that can't be dried, and clothes with stains on them so that I know they have to be treated. I'm so glad my dad helped me. I did not know what I was doing. And last one done. I wonder how much clothes this is gonna hold. That's what it looks like. Logo's a little off center, but we're not gonna look at that. Oh my god, that's so off-center. I'm not fixing it. It is gonna stay like that for the rest of eternity. This has got to go. Oh, that's so much better. I wonder how much it holds though. I want to put all these towels in one of them. Let's just see. We're not even halfway there. Oh my goodness. I'll be doing laundry more often, that's for sure. That's all how much could not fit. So obviously these were a lot bigger. But I don't mind it. I'll just do laundry every day, I guess. I have my regular laundry here and I feel like it's gonna fit good. I just put all my whites in the washing machine. Hopefully these will fit. This is about maybe 2 days worth or 3 days worth. And that's what that looks like. I recommend this hamper if you like to do laundry, which I do. I normally keep up with it pretty well, and it's a lot more aesthetic. I mean, look how pretty that is. I also tightened all the screws on this, so I'm gonna ask my sister if she wants it, but she probably does not. I'll probably just drop it off at Goodwill, to be honest with you.